What's going on, guys? Welcome to Mead Source. My name is Jake, and today I am going to review a little thing that I bought for my Nintendo Switch. It's called the Brook X1 adapter. Basically, I bought this thing because I own 4 Xbox One controllers. I really wanted a Pro controller, but you know, it's just another controller laying around the house. So I thought this could be a really good idea. It supports motion control, which is the main reason. Not a lot of the third-party controllers actually support motion control. So, you know, if I'm playing a bit of Mario, do the old hat flick. Yeah, so anyway, yeah. Not too bad. It's just this little device here, obviously. It just plugs in by the battery compartment. There's a whole department dedicated to that shit. So basically, yeah, you just plug it in. Now, I'm gonna be fucking brutally honest here. Guys, for the love of God, once you get this thing in, do not take it out and plug it in and take it out and plug it in. I done that, and the regrets were real. Here it is. I don't know if you can see that, but I fair fucked up that USB port, you know, to put it lightly. I decided that I'd try putting it in, had that bastard clipped in on the top, and I was like, there was a small gap. Couldn't work out fucking what was going on. So me, being the smart motherfucker that I am, I went, my heart broke. I might actually, I think I've got footage of it. I'll upload it and see what you guys think. Fuck me. Did I break it? You know, feel free to put in the comments that I obviously did not think that one through. Yeah, so this controller is busted now. It will still work, but it's only going to ever work with disposable batteries. Kind of disappointing, but you know, that's life for you, I guess. Yeah, so anyway, luckily, like I said, I have 4 of these fuckers, so you know, that's where it's gone into this one, and this is where it is staying. The actual USB connection on here was bent because I tried forcing it in, so I actually had to take this thing apart with my old trusty screwdriver set. Wasn't a smart move. Anyway, you know, life goes on. Also, I just want to point out, it's really important that you update this little device. Just go onto Brook's website and find the updated tool for the X1 adapter. It's pretty easy to find, just a bit of a Google search, guys. Update it to 5.0, and apparently that fixes a lot of the connection issues with the Nintendo Switch. I never tried without the Nintendo Switch. I think it might even add motion control to it as well, not too sure. But I just updated straight away. Always update this kind of shit, guys. And a little tip for you, the instructions will tell you to go into PlayStation 4 mode to update the adapter while you've got it plugged into a controller. All good. When you go to connect it to your Switch, put it back in Switch mode. Fucking, it's a key point of learning right there for me, because I was sitting there thinking this fucking thing's not working. It's fucking fucked. It's fucked. I'm gonna have to send this account back to fucking eBay. No, I just didn't put it in Switch mode. I don't think I really have much else to say about that, guys. Let's give it a go. Okay, now we have the view changed. So I'll try my best to show you this kind of setup. So Nintendo Switch turned on, the controller, we turn it on with this little old fucking button here instead. So that should turn the controller on, you'll feel it vibrate, and it should go solid. Yeah. There we go. And it's seamless, guys. It's zero latency. It's exactly like, you know, as if this was a Pro controller. So we'll try some Mario Odyssey. You will get used to it. The Nintendo Switch A is not A, it's B. So you're gonna have to get used to that. I'm pretty sure there is actually a way to remap all these buttons. I honestly can't be fucked. Nearly everything's the same just for this 4-colored button setup there. So I'm happy with just getting used to it. To be honest, it's really not that difficult. But you know, if you want to, go ahead, read the instructions and give it a crack if you feel like it.
Super Mario!
Fucking Super Mario Odyssey, you motherfucker! Fucking Mario's a bit fucking intense, I think. Cunt just needs to calm down. So obviously I'm not really looking at the screen here, but you know, I'll try my best. Forgive my fuck ups here. Fuck yeah, Mario, fuck yes. Now, I've never actually tried Mario with this controller yet, and I've got to say, this is by far one of the best ways. I mean, just playing it already, this is pretty fucking cool. Is that something down there? I hope so. Yeah, the controls are literally exactly the same, guys. Holding an L to the old, even A's still jump on the D-pad. Sorry, not the D-pad. The jumps with A. Same with B. So you know, it's actually really quite easy to get used to. See if I can get a hat flick going. Yep, look at that. See if I can get this a little bit closer for you. Now I'm trying to play. Oh, everything's in reverse right now. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! That doesn't. Okay. This is actually really, really difficult. Yeah, I'm playing like an absolute fucking spaz. I'm gonna have to. Oh my god. Go Mario, you legend. Okay, I think you get the point. I can't play for shit. I think you get the point. Oh yeah. Turn off the switch. Controller turns off. You know, turn it off manually. It will turn itself off as well. Pretty cool. Oh yeah. So there you go, guys. That was the Brook X1 controller. The adapter for the Xbox One. Turn this one back on. Lightning. Would I recommend it? 100% yes. If you already have Xbox controllers, go for it. Like it's amazing. If you don't already have Xbox controllers, it would be cheaper just to buy a Nintendo Switch Pro controller for 90 Australian dollars, maybe 100, depending on where you are trying to buy it from. Yeah, this is just a brilliant device to repurpose controllers, and you can still use it with your Xbox One. I think, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure you just turn it on with a normal Xbox button or something like that, and it connects to your Xbox just as it would before. It does have an Xbox mode as well. I can't remember, but there's a way how you can just seamlessly switch between these devices. Yeah, so got the Xbox controllers. Pick one up, guys. Absolutely worth it. Just don't unplug that shit. Keep it plugged in, because you will fucking regret it like I did and waste a whole Xbox controller. That shit is doomed for fucking batteries now. It's probably just going to sit in my drawer until I absolutely really need it. We happen to have 4 people playing games or something. And if I haven't said already, I will put a link for this in the description, where I bought it from on eBay anyway. You know, there's other, I'm sure there's better deals out there available or something. I bought mine for $60. Yeah, at least you know exactly what you're looking for anyway. Anyway, thank you. This is Jake from Mead Source, your source for tons of shit. Who cares? It could be anything. Have a good day, guys.